Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps of creating a lead generation funnel for your free community. So, what we teach in our program is how to utilize the 4-hour workday strategy, utilizing your free community as a lead magnet. And if you have a training that you want to promote and encourage them to join the community to access that free training, you want to create a lead magnet funnel like this where they can opt in. Hey y'all, Bridget Bartlett here. Before we dive into today's training, I really want to encourage you, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and make sure to go to myvisionagency.com to join our free community where we're actually live right now with open office hours. So I hope to see you there. Now, don't confuse this with your main website. We're actually going to put our lead magnet funnel on a subdomain. So in this case, join.myvisionagency.com. You want to make sure to always have your root domain, like myvisionagency.com, attached to your main website, which has all of your different offers. So you can see this is my main website. This is my lead magnet funnel. This is what I'm going to run ads to. If we're promoting one specific training, then we want to tell them about that training and then encourage them to join our free community. Once they join the free community, they will see this option here, which has all of our main offers. So to set this up, the first step of any lead magnet funnel is a form. So I've actually created a snapshot for the members of our program, so you guys will see this in the post of the community. But once you load this into your account, you're going to see the form here. So if I click here to the form, you'll see we have the first name, the email address. Of course, you can make any edits to this you want to. Now we need to attach that form to a funnel. So I'm going to go into the funnels. And again, I've created this for you. We'll go into the leads and you'll see there are 2 pages to this funnel. So let's open up the first page. You'll see here a broken image. This is actually attached to the custom value for your logos. So if you've already imported our main membership snapshot, you have these custom values that you've already filled out. So as soon as you import this, it should automatically add your logo there. If you'd rather change this, you can click here and you can use any image from your media gallery. We also have the title here, free training reveals, and you want to make sure that you're formulating your headline in a way that is converting. So when you're creating your headline, you want to stick with the same type of formula. We're going to say how to, and then you need to insert a specific desirable result. So if it is how to implement AI into your business without, and then what is the big pain point or common objection that they have? So maybe how to implement AI into your business without tech headaches in 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes meaning that's the training that we're providing and they're going to learn how to do that in 10 minutes. That's just an example off the top of my head. If you are struggling with this, you can just paste this into ChatGPT and it can help you create a better headline. Now, you also want to tell them what they're going to learn in this training. And again, you can also share this link with ChatGPT and it can help you create some bullet points for that specific training. You also see down here in the footer, we have the privacy policy, terms of service, and affiliate terms. Of course, you can delete any of these if you don't need them. And then we have the custom values here for the year and the location. So as soon as you import that, it will fill in that data. Now you'll see here that I'm actually using the funnel footer that I have saved as a universal element. So anytime you use this, all you need to do is update this panel on any of your funnels, and as long as it's universal, it will update all of those areas. So what I recommend is having this universal, and you can make any template universal by simply saving it. For example, if I wanted to save this one, I just click in there, go to the save, and then you'll see universal. So universal is for your entire account. Global sections would be just within that funnel. And then templates give you the ability to just save the section, but you can pull it into any funnel that you want and edit it, and it will not change any of the other sections you have this template used in. Now I want to do the same thing here with the header. And you'll see to access these, you can go to saved sections, go to universal sections, and you'll see the funnel footer and the funnel header. This makes it really easy when you are creating all of your lead magnet funnels to just ensure that if anything did change, you could easily come back and change that. Now I'm going to go to the thank you page, but first, we want to make sure when we click this form that it's going to the correct place. We want it to go to the next step. So we want to go ahead and save that. And the next step is going to be the thank you page. So you'll see, again, we have that universal funnel header. We have the universal funnel footer. And then we have this area here. We're using a custom value for the first name. So it'll say, congratulations. You now have access to the exclusive Training Plus community. Now, what I would recommend is adding some info about what's available in the community, because we've promoted the free training that they're going to get access to the community, but you likely have many other resources that they can access. Maybe you have open office hours, you have another training course, maybe some PDFs that you offer. Whatever that is, you want to make sure that you are incentivizing them to go to the community. Now let's go back out of these settings here. And the next step to this is we need to connect a domain. So we can go ahead and click here to connect domain, and it'll take us to the settings. Now, like I said, we do not want to use our main root domain when we're creating lead gen funnels. If you remember, that's our main website that we're promoting our entire business on. So let's say that our main domain is mychosendomain.com. And here we want to offer a free AI training. So maybe I'm going to choose ai.mychosendomain.com. That's all I have to do to select a subdomain. So I'm just typing it in, and then we're going to click continue. Now it's going to prompt me to add the records to whatever my domain registrar is. I'm going to click continue. And it has recognized my domain is on Cloudflare. So I'm going to go ahead and authorize the domain. And you'll see that it's going to add the records here. So I'm going to go ahead and authorize. And now that subdomain that we chose, ai.mychosendomain.com, is pointing to our HighLevel account. So now we need to decide, what do we want to connect this to? So since we have a funnel called leads that we wanted to connect it to, I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now we want to choose the home page of that funnel that's going to be the default. When someone goes to ai.mychosendomain.com, what page do we want them to see? So I want them to see the first page there in the funnel. And if you click additional options, you'll see that you can actually set a 404 error page. This is actually really important, because if there's ever a broken link, we don't want them to see that big, ugly, green page that says 404. So what we want to do is we want to choose the homepage of our funnel that we're going to direct them to, so they don't see that ugly 404 error page. So I'm going to go ahead and click proceed to finish. And now you'll see that our domain is connected to our funnel. Now the next step is to go into the automations, and we want to set up our workflow here. So you'll see I've already created this for you. You're just going to click into the leads free community funnel. When they complete that form and click submit, it's going to trigger this workflow. So the first step here, we would want to grant them access to our community or our group. If you have any courses in there that you want to grant them access to, you want to select that offer here. If you have an affiliate campaign that you want to grant them access to, you can select that here. We can also update our opportunity pipeline and put them in the lead stage. And then we can also send them an email. Now, we've granted them access to the community, the membership area where the courses are, an affiliate campaign. And now we need to make sure that they have access to the client portal, because that is where all of these things live. Now, if you don't have the affiliate campaign, for example, just delete this step. So in the welcome email, what we want to say is, hey there, contact first name. I'm so excited to share this training with you. Welcome to our community. We help business owners. And then you're going to tell them how you help business owners. The login credentials, it's going to share their email, and then it's going to give them the magic link to the client portal where they're going to automatically log in without a password. It will prompt them to create one, but they will see all the things you've granted them access to here inside that client portal. If you shared this client portal magic link and you did not grant them access to anything, they would just log in and they would see nothing. So it's really important. You want to make sure that you've granted them access to these things. I do recommend that you have a video in your About section to introduce yourself, your business, and your solutions, and also tell them where all of their resources are. We also want to tell them what to expect. So, are you doing a live training at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday? Tell them that. Are you doing a training every Friday afternoon at 3 p.m.? Tell them that. Are you uploading new PDFs and guides and things like that every Tuesday morning? Tell them that. Just let them know what you're going to share with them inside that community so that they are more incentivized to pay attention when you're sending emails. And also, we want to say, I hope to see you inside, and then it will auto-populate your email signature. Now, you'll see the next step here is to track your Facebook conversions. We're going to go through creating a Facebook pixel and setting it up for conversions in tomorrow's training. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to join us during open office hours inside of our free community. You're also welcome to create a HighLevel account and you'll get a free membership in our reseller program. You can also join our reseller program here if you are a current HighLevel customer. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality.